Namaste students, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to see a new topic and the topic is about conjunction. The video prepared by myself, Ms. Sharmila and presented by Ms. Nandini. Expected learning outcomes. At the end of the video, you all will be able to identify conjunctions in sentences, use conjunction to link sentence together, demonstrate correct usage of conjunctions. PEP activity. Homophones. Here there are two words. One is FLOUR, flower, and FLOWER, flower. Here they are given 4 sentences. In this each sentence you are going to fill by using the correct homophone. First one, we needed to borrow a cup of dash to make our cookies. Yes, FLOUR, flower. Good. My favorite dash is Daisy. FLOWER, flower. Very good. Third one. My grandma is always in her dash garden. Yes, FLOWER, flower garden. Very good. Then the last one. Dash is the main ingredient in bread. Yes, FLOUR, flower. Next one, conjunction. What do you mean by conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, clauses or sentences. Example of conjunction is but, and, because, if, unless, or, etc. So, by using these words, you can join two sentences as a one sentence. Let's see some examples by using and, or. Maria loves ice cream. She loves pizza. Okay, I'm going to join these two simple sentences into the one sentence. Here ice cream, then pizza. Both the things she loves. So, I can use and. To connect two sentences, I can use and. Maria loves both ice cream and pizza. Yes, likewise the second one. Which fruit do you like? Mango, apple. Here they are giving an option. For an option, you have to use or. Which fruit do you like? Mango or apple? Yes. So for option, you need to write R. Third one, I am very hungry. The fridge is empty. So it is opposite. The first one is hungry, but the fridge is empty. For opposite, you have to use but. Okay, while writing the word but, put a comma before the word but. I am very hungry, comma, but the fridge is empty. Then the fourth one, we went by bus. It was cheaper. Why they are going by the bus? They are telling one reason. So, we went by bus because it was cheaper. For telling a reason, you need to write the word because. Yes, some examples. She is clever, dash beautiful. What answer? Yeah, she is clever and beautiful. Next one. My sister is tall, dash I am short. So tall, short, opposite. For opposite, what you have to write? But. Good. Money is crying, dash he feels hungry. So, crying, hungry. They are telling a reason. For reason, you need to write because. Here they are given the answers. She is clever and beautiful. My sister is tall but I am short. Mani is crying because he feels hungry. Next one, here there are some examples to use if and unless. We will go, it doesn't rain. So we will go if it doesn't rain. For example, if the sentence starts with a positive note, for example, we will, I will, or can we, do we. Likewise, if a sentence starts with a positive note, you can use if. See the next example. You can stay for the weekend you like. Yes, so you can, it is also the positive note. So for this also I can use if. You can stay for the weekend if you like. Look at the next one. You don't need to go, you want to. So here don't, it is a negative one, right? So for this you can use unless. You don't need to go unless you want to. Look at the next example. I am not going to the party you come to. So I am not, it is also the negative one. So you can use unless. I am not going to the party unless you come to. Next one is activity time. Rewrite these sentences using the conjunction given in the brackets. Yes, here there are 4 sentences. By using the word if, unless, and, you are going to make a sentence. First one, I will not let you go unless you speak the truth. Here in the question they have given unless. You need to make a sentence by using the word if. Look at the next one. Snega will win if she works hard. Yes, here they are given the word if. So you have to make a sentence by using the word unless. Look at the third one. The sky was covered with clouds. It became dark. Yes, here you have to use the word and rewrite the sentence. Look at the last one. Is the story true? Is the story false? You have to join this sentence into a single sentence by using a particular word. Think the conjunction and then make a sentence. You have to write the question and the answer in your classwork note as activity. I hope you all enjoyed this session. Thank you children. We'll meet you in the next video.